bella c'è la luna, brille strette, strette come tutto bella pasteggiare sotto il cielo di Roma.
Hi, I'm your Uncle Frank. I left Chicago in '61. And every year we'd go back for family picnic. And we go to the forest preserves. And we'd have games and my mother was the oldest sister, so she was the matriarch. And my brother-in-law would have this big, gigantic chair, like in the movies where King George sits there, and everybody would come up to her, and it was great. It was fabulous. My mother made meals every day. Maybe not breakfast, but it was lunch and dinner. And she would be cooking meatballs and freeze them. She would, just, in those days, everything was fresh. We go to the market every day. We go fresh lettuce. I go to the bakery, DeLeo's Bakery on Taylor Street, and I go get the warm bread. My mother saying, go get 1.5 pounds, okay? So I go get 1.5 pounds. And as I'm walking home and I'm starting to eat the bread, by the time I got home, it was gone. Mama says, where's the bread? I says, oh, I ate it. Gee, go back and get another one. It was great. It was simple, but it was just, I think it was magical. That's for me, okay? And a lot of my peers feel the same way. Again, we miss the old days, but life goes on. What can I tell you?
Bella c'è la luna, brille strette, strette come tutto bella pasteggiare sotto il cielo di Roma.